Professor Shantha Valpola from the Moratuwa University will head the committee appointed by President Gotabaya Rajapaksa to study the gas explosions. Senior DIG Deshabandhu Thennakun, Professor Ajit Dialvis, Professor W.D.W. Jayathilaka and Professor Pradeep Jayavira are among the other members. Professor Narayan Sirimuthu, the Commissioner of the Sri Lanka Investors Commission, HPP Sudarshana Somasiri, the Additional Director General of the Industrial Technology Institute, and Sujiva Mahagama, the Senior Deputy Director of the Sri Lanka Standards Institute, have also been appointed to the committee. Opposition leader Sajith Premadasa told Parliament today that a criminal investigation must be conducted into the recent gas explosions.
The Criminal Investigations Department must immediately investigate this. We must punish those responsible by bringing them before the law. When the Ceylon Petroleum Corporation gives me the reports, I will table them in Parliament. There is nothing to hide. But the first duty is not to table them in Parliament. We will pass them to the Moratuwa University. We will obtain their recommendations in line with these reports. We will take the necessary measures. Everyone at the Ceylon Petroleum Corporation knows the results, that the cylinders contain 49% propane and 51% butane. Why aren't you providing these reports to Parliament, as the situation is dangerous? Can you assure that the cylinders in the market don't have a composition of 50% each of propane and butane? Neither me nor you can test two cylinders and determine whether the composition is 50-50. That is why they have been sent to the laboratories for tests. I feel that both sides have agreed that this is a serious matter. The safety of the people is paramount. I wish to thank the opposition leader and the minister, but I have a request to make. That is to convene a meeting of the consultative committee tomorrow and to instruct the minister and the relevant officials to respond to the questions of the MPs. That's because this is a problem concerning the people's lives. I am requesting the opposition leader, all party leaders and everyone who is not on the committee to attend the meeting. What the people need is a solution to stop this. A technical approach is needed to stop this. The government has the responsibility of providing a technical solution.
More than 10 gas explosions have been reported in the country since last night. One explosion had occurred at a house in Imaduwa, Galle, around 8 last night. No injuries were reported.
කෑම පියමින් ඉන්නකොට මම දරුවට දුවට කිව්වා ලිප ඔෆ් කරලා එන්න කියලා. ලිප ඔෆ් කරලා දරුව ගෙටේනකොටම චටපට ගාලා සද්දයක් ඇහුණා. සද්ද ඇවිල්ලා දුවලා බලනකොට ලිපේ වීදුරු කෑලි ගේ පුරාම විසිරලා තිබුණා. මටවත් හිතා ගන්න බැහැ නමුත් මොකද්ද උනේ කියලා.
A gas leak had caused an explosion at a house in Tilinagama, Mirigama at around 8 last night. A gas explosion had occurred at the house of Indra Airangani, an urban councillor in Ambalangoda, at around 10 last night.
මට හිතා ගන්න බෑ මොකද උනේ කියලා මේ උයපු කෑම වලන් හැම එකෙම කන්න නෑ ඔක්කොම ඒවා මේ වීදුරු කටු.
A gas leak had caused an explosion at a house in Aturugiriya at around 6:50 this morning. No injuries were reported due to the explosion.
මම උදේ වතුර ලිපේ තිබ්බා හොදිත් හැදුවා දලා ගෑස් එක ඔෆ් කරලා හැරුණා විතරයි මේ කුකුරනකොට නම් කිච්ච වාජනා වලට ඉඳන් වීදුරු කටු විසික්කුණා. ඒකට කෑලක් ඇහිලා වෙදිලා මේ උනා ඩක් ගාලා මහත්තයා ගලවලා අයින් කරා එතකොටම.
Another explosion caused by a gas leak was reported at an eatery in Bibile last night. The explosion had damaged the gas stove. A gas explosion had also occurred at a house in Kumbugoda in Ambilipitiya. The explosion had damaged the gas stove, but no injuries were reported.
ලිප පත්තු කරලා තියෙද්දි එළවලු ලිපේ තියෙනකොට තිබිලා මේ මම එළියට ගියා. කුසියට දුවගෙන ඇවිල්ලා බලනකොට මේ අම්මේ ලිප පුපුරලා ඉක්මනට එන්න කිව්වා. සද්ද ඇහුණා අයියේ.